Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, while briefing media persons today, informed that preparations are on for Shillong to host the Space 20 program of the G20 summit on April 17th and 18th, 2023. While stressing on the state government's focus on law and order situation during the two-day G20 summit in the city, Tynsong said that all efforts are on to ease traffic congestion, especially during the event.
We have a review meeting, I should say maybe the last review meeting, relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th. These 2 days G20 meeting. So we already had a detailed meeting with all the concerned department, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting, which is scheduled to be held in Meghalaya, in Shillong, on the 15th and 17th of this month. Well, I don't think I'll be able to tell you exactly, because see, be it for the beautification, repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discussed, all the details, and as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome, and we are ready now to see that the G20 is held in Shillong successfully. More or less, see this G20, you please go to the website, you will know all the countries, the G20, and then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in Shillong. Yeah, this is also one of the area where we discussed today. So instruction has been given to the concerned department, and then to the police personnel and to the SP traffic to work out all the details, and instruction has been given very, very clearly from which road this delegate VVIP will come in, and which road should they again go back. So all these details I cannot tell you right now, but of course all these areas has been discussed in detail with different department, with the senior officers.
Replying to queries on recruitment to the state's police department, Prestone Tynsong informed that currently all 1,000 vacancies will be filled up, while another 1,500 positions will be advertised soon.
Recruitment, now the personal interview will be held very soon, I think within maybe 3-4 days. So I don't know all the details, the calendars, but it's already done. It's already done. Yes, that is true. See, right now about 1,000 plus personal review is being called, and then immediately after that, after the personal review is completed, the process is completed, we are going again to advertise for another maybe 1,500 manpower, which is required in the police department alone. So I'm sure this process also will start very soon. We'll make sure that the vacancies that we have, the shortage that we have, will fill it up within this year itself.